Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must start with consistent captions and a style. Open references and insert caption to tag each figure with the same label. Then apply a paragraph style to every caption so Word can find them. This prevents manual numbering errors. Once done, save and close any open pane to let Word register changes. Make sure you didn't type numbers into captions. Use the caption feature. This first step sets the foundation so automatic updates work reliably later. Now you'll force Word to recalculate every field so numbering corrects itself. Select the whole document with Ctrl+A, then press F9. This updates caption fields, cross-references, and the table of figures. If some captions still show manual numbers, right-click and choose Edit Caption or reinsert the caption so it becomes a field rather than typed text. Once done, check a few cross-references to confirm they point to the right figure. Make sure Track Changes is off to finish by verifying section-level settings and refreshing the table of figures. If captions reset across sections, open Numbering Settings in Caption and select Continuous Numbering across sections or remove section-specific resets. Then update the table of figures via References and choose Update Entire Table so entries match captions. If something still looks wrong, press Alt+F9 to reveal field codes and inspect or delete corrupted fields before updating again. If problems persist, reinsert the affected captions as fresh caption fields.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.